How to download videos from Snapchat. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily download videos from your Snapchat to your phone's camera roll. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up your Snapchat application. Once you open it up, go ahead and tap on your chat section, and if you go to your camera roll and tap on the memories. So once you get to your memories, find the photo or the video that you want to download to your camera roll. So for example, if I want to download this one right here, what you can do is tap on send to, and here you will see multiple options to share this to other platforms. You just want to swipe all the way to the right, and here you'll see download. Go ahead and tap on download, and what it will do is it will completely download the photo from your Snapchat to your phone's gallery. Now, if you want to download multiple photos, you can select multiple photos like this, tap on send to, and do the same thing. Tap on download, and all of this will be downloaded at the same time. And once you have done that, I'm just going to download this one as well. Tap on send to and download. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and check on your gallery. So here, as you can see, I have these pictures on my gallery that I've just saved. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.